A businesswoman named Cindy was in the airport big alone on her way to Los Angeles. She noticed Donald Trump sitting on the sofa enjoying a brandy. Cindy was meeting with a very important client who was running somewhat late. Being a bold businesswoman, Cindy decided to go ahead and approach Mr. Trump and introduced herself. Much to her surprise, Mr. Trump turned out to be nice. Mr. Donald Duck, she was about to close a very important business deal and that she would be very grateful if he could say a quick "Hi Cindy" to her when she was with her client. Mr. Trump concerned to do just that. 10 minutes later, while Cindy speaking with her client, she felt a rag on her shoulder. It was Donald Trump. Cindy turned about and looking at him as a man went into a pet shop to buy a parrot. The shop owner pointed to three identical-looking parrots on a peg and said, "The parrot on the left costs $500. The shop owner replied, "That parrot knows how to use a computer." The man then asked about the next parrot, and the shopkeeper said, "That one costs $1,000 because it can do everything the other parrot." The angry singer started then asked the other parrot, and the shop owner said, "The cost is $2,000. The man asked, "What can he do?" The shop owner replied, "To be honest, I've never seen it do things, but the other two call him the boss." The biggest beer producer in the world met for a conference, and at the end of the day, the president of all the beer companies decided to have a drink together at a bar. The president of Budweiser Natural ordered a Bud, the president of Miller ordered a Miller, a Bud Coors a Coors, and so on down the list. Then the bartender asked Arthur Guinness what he wanted to drink, and to every boy amazing he ordered tea.